Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, you are going to learn an interesting event. Morals are one side and legal side on the other side. Which bears the weight or balance to which side it will tilt. Definitely it will tilt toward the legal side. A district judge in Gwalior of Madhya Pradesh, he denied bail to two Abvp activists who were arrested on 11th of this month, 11/12/2023, for taking away the car of a judge which was parked outside the Gwalior railway station. So, don't be in a hurry. You may be under the impression that the fellows committed theft of the judge's car. No. They have forcibly taken the keys of the judge's car from the driver and they have put a person, an ailing person, a person suffering from cardiac arrest who was taken out from the station and took him to the hospital. Morality. They wanted to save the life of a person, he died. But legally, they should not have taken the car because the point is an ambulance has also reached the spot. Of course, they say that the ambulance did not come at that particular point of time. So, this is the story. Right? Now, let us discuss what happened. So, a High Court judge's car was parked outside Gwalior railway station. Right? So, actually, two Abvp activists, their names I am going to tell you. Sanjay Goyal. The name of the judge is Special Judge for Dacoity Cases, Sanjay Goyal. He rejected the bail application of Abvp's Gwalior Secretary Himanshu Shotriya, aged about 22 years, and Deputy Secretary Sukrit Sharma, 24. What the court said? The court said, you have to take the case with politeness but not using force. No doubt you have done a good thing, but you should have taken the case with politeness but not with force. Right. Now, the case is like this, according to Additional Prosecutor Mr. Sachin Agrawal. Shotriya and Sharma, they were informed by their Abvp activists that a person coming from the train to Gwalior, he has been suffering from the so-called chest pain or heart pain. Immediately, he has to be shifted to the hospital. Of course, railway hospital will also be there, but what happened is, since they are alone to them, immediately they have rushed to the railway station. The Abvp activists in the train, they have brought him outside. Immediately, they called for the ambulance. In advance itself, they called for the ambulance. They waited for the ambulance for about 20-25 minutes. The ambulance did not come. Immediately, they saw the judge's car. Immediately, they forced the driver and took away the car in which the person was treated. He was taken to the nearby hospital, but of course, he was declared dead. Right? Please remember, the evidence shows that an ambulance had reached the spot by the time. So, the ambulance is the appropriate vehicle to carry an ailing person to the hospital, not by the people. This is nothing but overaction of the AB activists. That is what is observed by Honorable Court. Right? So, they are charged under anti-dacoity law. Very peculiar. So, they were charged MP dacoity or Vyapaharan Prabhavit Kshetra Abhiniyam, MPDVPK Act. That is anti-dacoity law. Right? Since they snatched away the cars, the keys of the car from the driver and at the Galway railway station and took the person to the hospital. Right? Please remember, no doubt the Abvp people or for that matter any youngsters you feel that injustice was done to them. What is this? They wanted to support, they wanted to render minimum first aid to an ailing person coming from the railway station, coming from the train. Is it not moral duty? Definitely. It is a legal duty also. But still, they did not observe the restraint. They did not observe the politeness. Whose car it is? Whether it is High Court judge's car is a different thing. But they should have asked the driver to politely accept. Of course, to be practical, will the driver accept? That's also another point to be taken into consideration. So what these people say is, as that patient's health is deteriorating, the Abvp actually rushed him to a hospital in a car parked outside. That incidentally, that car belongs to the High Court judge. Right? So they tried to help an ailing man, but now nobody is helping them. This is another one. So therefore, but please remember, the deceased, that is Ranjit Singh, 68 years. He was the vice chancellor of a private university in Jhansi of Uttar Pradesh. He is also not an ordinary man. So the SP of Gwalior, Inderganj city, that is Ashok Jadan, he said that man is retired. He is working as a vice chancellor of a private university and he died of cardiac failure. Right? So whatever it is, here two aspects are important. Number one, moral aspect and legal aspect. So you can take the car, no problem. Normally, but very recently, yesterday I think Mr. Chandrasekhar Reddy, who is an MLC, he was previously NGO leader. So he has seen some accident, he stopped the vehicle, he took the shifted NGO to his vehicle, shifted. That normally will be done. But the problem here is, definitely the judge would not have been there. He is also likely to come from the same train, and these people using their force snatched away the car's keys, for which they have to suffer legally. Morally they are right. So please remember, this is the difference between positive morality or just positivism and legal positivism. So read the jurisprudence once again and enrich your legal knowledge. With this I am concluding. Thank you very much.